What if the black holes in the universe collided? Black holes, these monstrous and seemingly voids of black space, suck in everything that gets close to them. Space dust, asteroids, planets, and even the entire stars. The nearest one is 1600 light years away from us, and in the region of universe visible from Earth, there are perhaps 100 billion galaxies, each one with around about 100 million stellar mass black holes in its center, ready to devour anything that gets close enough to their event zone. But what would happen if all the black holes in the universe collided? Keep watching to find out. We can't see them and some say they might not even exist. But we know something there is from the behavior of stars that orbit these strange phenomena. Black holes lie at the center of almost every known galaxy. Some of them are active, devouring the galaxies that surround them, while others are dormant. The active ones shoot out massive jets of ionized matter close to the speed of the light. These are the brightest objects in the universe and also the largest one. Some black holes are so enormous that it's almost impossible to comprehend their size. The largest one ever found is 17 billion times the size of our sun. I hope you are finding this video interesting. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and let us know about your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you stay updated with all of our latest content. And your support really helps us to keep creating. Everything in the Milky Way galaxy, including us, is orbiting a mostly dormant massive black hole is called Sagittarius A. This massive giant is 4.1 billion times the mass of our sun. It is 26,000 light years away from us, and right now we are speaking, it's tearing apart a system and consuming 5 times the mass of our moon every year. That might not sound like much, and it is not because Sagittarius A is currently sleeping. However, it could be awakened if another black hole collided with it. We are always learning something new about this phenomenon. Some people think that a black hole is just sites where it is at and does not move. But you might be shocked to learn that it is not true. Recently, a black hole was spotted in space by the Hubble telescope. Its large, bright ring of gas was shining through the darkness of space. And even more surprisingly, it was moving. This black hole was evicted from center of its galaxy and it's now blasting through space at 1300 miles per second, mean 2000 kilometers per second. This means there is a rogue black hole flying through the space that is estimated to be 1 billion times the massive more than of our sun. It would take something massive to push this black hole from the center of its galaxy and into the space at such a speed, likely another black hole. Black holes are not usually traveling through space looking for something to eat, but now we know that it's possible. Somewhere from space, a rogue black hole could be heading towards our galaxy, and the collision would be epic on a cosmic scale. There are so many black holes in the universe that it's impossible to count them. If all the black holes were collided together, what would be end of the universe as we know it? Some of these stellar giants would be massive that they would easily swallow smaller ones and even become more larger. If these black holes were like ours and the ones inside the Andromeda galaxy, you can imagine the incredible cosmic catalysm. If they all collided at once, perhaps creating a black hole so massive that would suck the entire universe. Entire stars would be tripped and sucked inside, planets ripped apart, and the collision of the planets and the stars could possibly create more black holes, leading to the chain of cosmic destruction. Before diving into the video, I have a question for you. If you could explore the inside of black hole, what do you think you would find? Answer in the comment section and I will pin up the more informative comment. We already have on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy, which has 35 known black holes. In 3.75 billion years, if humans are still here on Earth, we will be able to look into the sky and see Andromeda and its trillions of stars as it approaches to our galaxy. This collision could merge both galaxies into a colossal giant black hole larger than everything ever we have seen. But there is no need to worry about that. A black hole will suck up or that all black holes will attract each other and collide. Black holes are lazy eaters that do not suck everything into them unless these things come inside its mouth. You need to get very close to the mouth of black hole to get sucked inside. Even if our sun suddenly collapsed into a black hole, it would not swallow the earth. With all these amazing things happening in our universe, it almost seems as though the universe exists simply so that we and living creatures like us might live to see and experience it. Billions and billions of years from now, everything will slip past the event horizon, past of cosmic microwave background, even all the black holes. What is beyond there is a mystery that we may never know. The dark void of space left behind would be the final resting home of entire universe. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you think we deserve it, please like and share our video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you stay updated with all of our latest content. So your support really help us to creating. So thanks for watching.